Are you tired of manually updating Google Sheets every time someone submits a form? Today, I'm going to show you how to automate Google Sheets with Zapier in just a few minutes so you can save time, reduce errors, and focus on what really matters. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier website. Click the login button in the top right corner and sign in using your Google account. This is the easiest way to integrate Google apps like Forms and Sheets. Once you're in, click on the Create button to start a new workflow, which Zapier calls a zap. Every zap starts with a trigger, an event that kicks off the automation. Click Trigger, search for Google Forms, and select it. Choose New Form Response as your triggering event, so the zap runs every time someone submits a response. Sign into your Google account and test the trigger to make sure everything is working perfectly. Next, let's set up the action. What happens after the trigger? Click Action, search for Google Sheets, and select it. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row so each new form response is automatically added to your sheet. Connect your Google account again and test this step to confirm that the data flows correctly. But why stop there? You can add another step to notify your team instantly. Click the plus icon, select Slack, and pick Send Direct Message. Sign into Slack, choose the channel or user to notify, and run a test. Now, every time a form is submitted, the data goes straight to your Google Sheet and your team gets notified automatically. Once you're happy with your workflow, hit Publish to activate your Zap. And just like that, you've created a fully automated process connecting Google Forms, Sheets, and Slack, saving you hours of manual work every week. Automation doesn't just make life easier, it keeps your data organized and your team in the loop instantly. Try it out today and see how much time you can reclaim. Happy automating.